Welcome back, Primary 6. Let's continue our vocab words. So, number 1, tempestuous. It's an adjective, and I can use this word when I'm talking about my emotions. Like if I'm very angry, I can say I have a tempestuous mood, so don't talk with me. Another meaning of tempestuous, I can use it with nature. Like if there is a violent storm, I can say there's a tempestuous storm. Also, like in this picture, their ship was sailing dangerously in the tempestuous sea. That means the sea is so strong, it's tempestuous sea. So, let's continue. Transition. Transition is a noun, and the meaning of transition is a change from one condition or from to another. Transition means change. Like, the transition from an old place to a new one is difficult. Changing from one place to another is difficult. Moving from one place to another is difficult. Let's see another new word. Weather is a verb. And weather doesn't mean like the atmosphere or the air. No. It is used for plants. And the meaning of weather is to become dry or die, to make a plant to do this. In this picture, the plant will wither if you don't put them in water. The following word is control. And control here is a noun. Also it's a verb, but we will use it as a noun. Power over something. The ability to organize, direct, or guide someone or something. Like here in the picture, you can have control over the puppet by holding the sticks. The following word is mood. And mood is the way that you feel at a particular time. And mood here is a noun. As example, my baby has multiple moods. Sometimes he cries, laughs, and screams. So it's so strange. Adapt. Adapt is a verb. And the meaning of adapt is to change your behavior because the situation you are in has changed. So like here in the picture, the bear knows how to adapt to the cold weather. He will not die from the cold weather because he has a thick skin. And because of that thick skin, he can adapt to the cold weather. The following word is accurately. And accurately means in a careful and an exact way. Like here, I put the darts in the middle accurately. So here accurately is an adverb. Next word is decent. And decent is good enough of an acceptable standard. Decent means to be good. And decent is adjective. Like that man is decent. He helps the old people. Is he bad? No, he is decent. And the last word is doubt. Doubt is a verb. And the meaning of doubt is to think that something is unlikely or to feel uncertain about something. Like you are not sure. And here's an example. Is this my old town? I doubt that I'm wrong. I'm not sure that I'm right. After understanding the meaning of the words, now we will be able to identify the synonyms and the antonyms of these words. So let's get started. Number 1, eternity. And the synonym of eternity is forever, but the antonym of eternity is limitation. So here limitation, there is an end. While eternity, there is no end, it's forever. Let's see the second word. Transition. And here transition, the synonym of it is change. But the antonym of transition is stillness. So here she doesn't move, so this is stillness. But here transition, changing from one place to another. Let's say the next word, irritating. And the synonym of irritating is annoying. But the antonym of irritating is calming. The telephone is irritating, while here the sea is calming. Let's see the next word. Spectacular. And the synonym of spectacular is amazing. But the antonym of spectacular, unimpressive. Like here, he didn't see anything spectacular, so this is unimpressive. Let's say the next word. Categorize, and the synonym of categorize is group, while the antonym of categorize is divide. The difference between them, now the man is categorizing the shapes, while here he's dividing the shape into quarters. Let's see the next word. Frost, and the meaning of frost is ice, but the antonym of frost, heat. So is this a heat? No, it's ice, it's frost. So the antonym of frost is heat. Now with literally. If you want to make a cake and you want to make it literally good, it's like this. Or it will be exactly good. So you made the cake exactly like the picture. But if you didn't do it like the picture exactly, you will do it different. So this is different. So let's see the next word. Weather. And the synonym of weather is decay. But the antonym of weather, to build. Tempestuous. And the synonym of tempestuous, stormy. But the antonym of tempestuous is gentle. And here it's a tempestuous sea, while here it's a gentle sea. Consistency, and the synonym of consistency is unity or always. Always is the simplest meaning of consistency, but the literal meaning of consistency is unity. Here in the picture, there is consistency in the pieces of the puzzle. They are not literally the same, but there is unity between them. But in this picture, there is inconsistency. There is orange in the middle of the apples. So the antonym of consistency is inconsistency and never. Never is the simplest antonym of consistency. Let's say the next word. Predictable. And the synonym of predictable is expected. Like here. It's expected the shark eats the fish. But the antonym of predictable is unpredictable or unexpected. Like it's unpredictable, the fish and the shark will be friends. Let's say the next word. Control. And the synonym of control is rule. But the antonym of control, follow. Like here, it's a control here. Yes, the mother is controlling the kids, and the kids are following the mother. But here you are controlling the puppet. Adapt. And the synonym of adapt is to fit. Like here, penguins can adapt the cold weather. They can fit in the cold weather. And the antonym of adapt is unfit. So here, the penguin can fit the desert. No, they unfit in the desert. And the next word, accurately. And accurately means exactly. I put the dart in the middle accurately. I put the dart in the middle exactly. But the antonym of accurately is inaccurate. And the next word is decent. And decent means good. But the antonym of decent is bad or indecent. Doubt. The synonym of doubt is unsure, but the antonym of doubt is to be sure. Thanks for listening, and I'm glad to be here with you today. Bye for now and wait for other videos.